Hello friends, today's topic, give me your mobile for a minute, lose lakhs and lakhs. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Zerodha CEO Nitin Kamath has warned the public about a new phone scam that can empty bank accounts easily. Recently, he shared a video explaining how the scam works and how to avoid it. This seems like a very easy way to get scammed and people will not realize it until they lose money. This scam is called the quick call trap. How the scam works. A scammer may approach you and request to use your phone for making an urgent phone call. While it will look like the scammer is making a phone call, he may be secretly downloading applications on your phone, accessing existing apps or change settings to forward all calls and messages to their numbers. Once the scammer hands you back your phone, you will not see anything unusual happening. You will not find any signs of tampering. This is why this is extremely dangerous scam. Once the scammer has activated the forwarding facility, they will get all notifications which you receive on your phone, such as banking transactions, intercept OTPs, access your accounts, make unauthorized financial transactions. They can access your email and social media accounts and change your passwords. Anybody can be targeted by this scam. However, certain category of people are susceptible to be scammed, such as A. People who are not very tech savvy. B. People who are distracted with something else. C. People in a hurry. The scammers are extremely professional and know what to say to entice you to give them your phone for a short time. They may state that their phone battery is dead, they lost their phone is stolen, etc. They may pretend to make a call since they have a sick child or elderly patient to take advantage of an emotional side. This usually makes people feel that the scammer is making a genuine request and you give them your phone without suspecting anything. How to protect yourself? Number one, never hand over your phone to any stranger. If in case they need to make a phone, you can dial the number for them, put the phone on loudspeaker so that you hear the conversation. Number two, go to your phone setting and look for the call forwarding or call diverting options. Make sure that it is switched off. 3. Never share your OTPs with anybody. 4. In case you feel that you have been scammed, report it to the National Cybercrime Helpline number 1930. Although being aware of this scam will save you from losing money or control of your various email, social media accounts, it is likely to also reduce our faith in people when they ask us for our phone. However, it is better to be safe and sorry. Forward this message with all your contacts. This information might save somebody's hard-earned money. End of the video, here is the question. In the past, have you been approached by strangers to make a call from your phone? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.